Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am sharing a luxury haul with you. I just returned from New York City, and as you can see I did quite a bit of shopping while I was there. So I thought I would share the luxury items that I picked up while I was there. So I'm going to start with the two Chanel items first. So these were two items from 24C that I wasn't able to get here in Toronto. So I was really happy to be able to find both of them in New York. So this one, for some reason, it came in a really large box. I don't think this is the box it was meant to come in, but anyway, that's okay. And none of these are true unboxings. I've opened everything, so as you can see, all the packaging is in there, but I just quickly put them back in their boxes. So as you can see, it's an SLG to reveal. And this is the turquoise card holder that, like I said, I could not find here. This is my favorite style of card holder. I use my other two. So I have a black one and a pink one, and from previous seasons, and I use them all the time. This is my most used style of card holder. So I was really happy to find it in the turquoise. And the interesting thing about this one and a couple other turquoise SLGs from 24C is they have black hardware. The bags did not have black hardware, which is interesting, but the SLGs did. So, and it's lambskin, and it feels amazing. And I can show the tag because I purchased this in New York. Usually here we do not get the tags. So I found this one from the Chanel inside Saks on 5th Avenue. So this is the tag. That was the information in case you are interested. Okay, so that is the first item. I found that it was basically the first thing I bought. I found it pretty much the first store we went to, so it was really exciting to find that because I had been looking for that here. Okay, and the other one, this one I found in the Chanel inside Bergdorf. And again, it is another SLG from 24C. So this one is, if you saw my what I got for Christmas video, I did get the mini Chanel 31 bag in turquoise, and so this is the matching card holder to that. I don't have this style. I don't know if this is, I'm assuming this is a new style of card holder since it matches the 31 bag. So here's the information. And so it has, let me take this out. It has 2 card slots on the inside, plus quite a bit of room to put, I guess, whatever you want to put in there. And 2 more card slots on here. And it's really cute. It looks like the 31 bag. And it's in that shiny calfskin, and this is obviously the turquoise color. Shiny calfskin, just like the matching bag. And this one has like gold hardware. Yeah, so I was really happy to be able to find those two turquoise card holders. Okay, let me put those aside. Okay, so I picked up several items from Hermes. I'm gonna put this one over here. Okay, and I had this one. Was also supposed to be there. Okay, sorry. I am going to start with these two smaller items. And all of these items I picked up at the flagship boutique on Madison Avenue. So this is a pair of cashmere mittens. They're really soft and really pretty. I don't remember what this color was called, and for some reason I noticed in the boutique on Madison they take off all the stickers from the boxes. Like there were stickers on the boxes, but then they were removed when I checked out. So I'm not sure why they do that, but I know these are on the website. So if you're interested, you can look at the website. Oh wait, there might be information on the tag here. Yeah, so this is the information, and I got them in a size medium. And to match those, I picked up the matching headband. So again, it's in cashmere, really soft, and I took a medium in this one as well. So let's get this out of the way. Sorry, I'm trying to not make too big of a mess here. Okay. Next item is in this box, and this is a pair of shoes, as you can see. And these are the Santorini sandals, my favorite sandals, and they are pretty similar to ones I already own, but I really liked the fringe. Hang on, let me get them out. I really liked the fringe on the denim of this. I think it makes it a little more casual, which is a little different from the other pair I own, which are also denim, but they don't have that fringe. These ones also have a black sole, whereas the other ones do not. They're more of a brown sole. So anyway, they're very similar, but I really like these sandals and I use them so much in the summer. So I took my usual 38 in these ones, and it came with a little booklet. Okay. This. Okay, so I did, luckily enough, get a bag from the boutique while I was there. So I'm going to open that next because the other two items kind of go with it. Okay, so it was really exciting to be able to get a bag there. I wasn't sure whether I'd be able to or not, but yeah, I was offered this, which was really nice. This is a bag that was on my wish list, and this is my first bag of 2024. Okay, so it's the dust bag to reveal. So this is the In the Loop bag in size 18, and it is in the color New Blue Jean in Clement's leather, and the handles and bottom are Swift, I believe, and it has the contrast stitching, and yeah, it's really pretty. It is gold hardware, and yeah, this is a style that I had in mind. So I did, when the essay that was helping me asked what, bag I would be interested in, this is one that I mentioned, and I don't have one in my collection, and it is one that I wanted to add this year. So it is a bucket bag, kind of like the Picotin, but I actually think I like this better. Maybe I'll do a comparison. I think maybe there are some videos comparing the two, but I really like this one for a lot of reasons. I did use it already right away once I got it. I think I'm gonna get an organizer for it. Take out the stuff in here. So it looks like this inside. It has one slip pocket here. Get that to focus. Not sure why that's not focusing, but anyway, and it has this closure, so it can have kind of two different looks. It can be closed like that and offer a little more security, and it can also be open like this. and the bottom has that chain donk pattern as well, which I really like. Yeah, it's just such a cute bag. And I can't remember if I said this, but this is the 18 size, so the smaller size. There's also a 23. I saw one on display. They had a lot of bags on display that were for display only. And the 23 size looked nice too, but I definitely prefer this size, I think. Yeah, and it's the new blue jean color, which is really, really pretty and will go with a lot, especially, you know, just outfits with jeans. So yeah, so I was really, really excited to get that. So a couple of other items that I picked up that kind of go along with it. I picked up a strap for my watch. So I have that strap on it right now, but this is a strap in new blue jean Swift leather. Matches the handles exactly, so it's an exact match. So it'll be nice to be able to wear that when I use this bag and match. So love that. And I also was able to get a gas charm, which was exciting as well. So this one will go with a variety of my bags because it has Vert Fizz, which will go with my Constance. It has gold on the wing, which will go with my Della Cavaleria or my Mini Evelyn. And then this, I believe, is blue Zanzibar. So it's not blue jean, new blue jean, but I still think it looks good on this bag. I'll show you. So that's how it looks on this bag, and I actually think it looks really nice. So I think I will use it with this bag. Yeah, so that is it for my New York City shopping haul. We had a great time there, and the shopping there is always so great. So yeah, that is it, I think. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.